Welcome Primary 3. Our lesson today is multiplying by a one-digit number. Multiply 523 by 3. First, write the numbers you want to multiply vertically from up to down, 523 by 3. Then start multiplying. First, 3 by 3 equals 9. Then multiply again. 3 by 2 equals 6. Then 3 by 5 equals 15. So I multiply the second digit by each digit above. Another example, 5 multiplied by 218. First, write 218, then write 5 under 218. So I have to rearrange my numbers vertically. Then let's multiply together. 5 by 8 equals 40. 0 and carry up 4. Then 5 by 1, 5. Then I will add 4 to the answer I got. Again 5 by 1, 5. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Then 5 by 2 equals 10. Okay, another example, 153 multiplied by 60. When I have 0 down in my second number, first of all, put your 0 down, okay? Then start multiplying the other digit by the same way. Start multiplying 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is, yes, excellent, 18. 8 and carry up 1. Then 6 by 5, 30. Excellent. Shall I write 30? No, I have to add 1 first, as we agree. Then add 30 plus 1 equals 31. 1 and carry up 3. Then let's repeat multiplying 6 by 1. 6 by 1, 6 plus 3 equals 9. My answer, 9,180. Let's see how to multiply 30 by 40. I told you before, when I see 0 in my unit house, I have to put it down. What about if I see 0 in the first number and 0 in the second number, in the unit house of the first number and in the unit house of the second number? Put them down, okay? Then multiply the rest of the numbers. What's left now? Yes, I have 4 and 3, so I have to multiply 4 by 3. 4 by 3 equals 12. So my final answer is 1,200. Story problem. Ahmed bought 7 books for LE 128 each. How much money did he pay? The price of one book is 128. What will be the price of 7 books? I will repeat number 128 7 times. Okay? So how to solve it? I have to solve it by multiplying 128 by 7. Let's multiply together. 7 by 8, 56. 6 and carry up 5. 7 by 2, 14, plus 5 equals 19. 9 and carry up 1. 7 by 1, 7, plus 1 equals 8. So my final answer is 896. Now let's try multiplying by yourself. 65 by 5, 532 by 8, 90 by 70, 237 by 9. After solving it by yourself, you can check the answer in the next slide.